Really?
Yeah, look at that.
With a dirty old top? I might actually change what I'm wearing.
Okay, why?
Well, I just realized my knees are dirty.
So you're gonna wear the onesie. How did I get here? How do we get here?
Here we are, backstage.
Look at me. What is hold on.
Is my bun okay?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Do we look very summery, very
Very
spring?
summery, but also like all of them are totally dressed for winter and they're wearing like casual shit.
But what did I say?
I know, and that's good advice.
You can't look the same.
No,
You can't.
You gotta be you,
Look at
no
these,
matter
you
what.
like these? I wish I had my purple ones. They were kind of outrageous, but blue goes, kind of matches. We should play some class. Wanna do that?
Okay. Am I good? Is everything okay? Is everything in place?
We're gonna go. This airs next week.
This is your reputation too.
Right here. What do you think?
Thank God I was sitting down.
What do you think?
What's over here? Look at the hair. I don't want to go out there like this now.
Why?
In front of those people, because everyone's so casual. I know.
Stop it. This is a brand. You work this brand. You got it?
I gotta work it to the bone.
There's nothing.
Work it
Are you glad you're not in a blue dress?
to the bone. I don't know.
You have a blue dress here. Do you want to wear that?
No.
Okay, there you go.
This is a commitment. I don't cop out on commitment
Look
here.
at these earrings.
Okay, good.
Look at this. Okay. This is okay. Okay. Here, but that's our pep talk. We're going down. Here we go to debut. We have to go downstairs, down the elevator. Good thing we don't get nervous. Imagine you had a panic attack in the elevator.
Well, I did have a panic attack once.
No, not in the elevator.
Well, no. But like, I mean, before we went on a thing. But I guess I pushed
guns
through.
in my head and I go. You know that song?
Hair. No, I don't know that song.
But you know how it stops? And everyone's like, the radio's broken. And then it goes. Here we go. Here we go. Is my bun okay now?
No one sees my
Is
phone.
my bun okay now?
Oh God, what am I gonna say? Your bun's not good.
Yeah.
And then you have to fix it.
Here we go. Well, since we're YouTube, we can do this.
No. You're perfect. Fine. You are perfect, Natalie.
I'm used to doing this stuff. Part of my job. I need you to do 17 of those.
That'll be no problem, especially in this dress.
Hey ho! Hey ho! We just finished Cityline. It's a daily vlog. We had the day is not over. It's 11:45. We got to go home and parent. Then we got to go to an event for a company, and then we have to go to. We have a Twitter party tonight for Fisher Price that we are hosting with Listen to Lena. So if you're at home tonight at 7 p.m., jump on.
Talk to us on Twitter.
Talk to us.
Say something funny.
Like lovers do. That's good, you know?
Talk to us and let's talk about some funny stuff for kids.
Whoa, whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Hello, I'm here. Did you not see me? Wow.
He looks like he's an Uber driver too because there's people in the back.
I need like some good beats. It's a long day. I know we're not supposed to have coffee throughout the day, but that's what's gonna get us through, I think.
Maybe that's what I woke up at 3:30 bright and awake. And I was just like, ugh, I wish you were picking me up right now.
This is what it feels like.
Harvey's.
You know,
Onion rings.
we're on a food plan.
I know.
Okay, so we're in the Major Weeds for dinner. I've got one that's got to go to dance. We have tonight. I have some of Natalie's here. They are playing Lord knows what. I've got the baby who's starving. I'm trying to whip together macaroni and cheese. It's a tiny bit crazy though. I like to make it homemade because they prefer to eat it that way. The other one just stopped crying for a second. And I don't know what else I'm gonna find. I have to put it in a bowl. Yes.
The boys are throwing cars and then Neely almost just hit the TV and knocked over.
Don't throw the cards, boys. Olivia, do you know where?
They're putting it backwards and erasing it.
Where's the stool, guys?
Upstairs.
I need it. Can someone bring me a stool, please?
I found
Thank you.
there.
I think I see the dish I need.
I found it.
Thanks, darling. You want more food? More food? There's some times where you feel like there's not enough hands. I hate when I say that, but we're going to sign off on this cat daily vlog. I think it's been the longest vlog of my whole entire, the longest day. We have another crazy long day tomorrow, where we have 2 meetings in the morning, and then another event in the evening, and I can't even remember what it was. Oh, we're going to a YouTube event. It should be fun, actually. I'm excited about that. What happened?
I think we're going to 293.
Not Woodlot.
Yeah, we're going to Woodlot.
It gave us to Woodlot.
Did it?
Wait, you didn't do
I
Woodlot.
put in an address.
What just made you think of that?
Because I realized that I put in an address that I was thinking in my head. Hold on, wait, hold on.
Okay.
Everybody. There's Heather.
Where's 293?
We're going to 293 Palmerston.
What is it?
No, where's 293?
Down there. We said it in Palmerston.
293 Palmerston. Right, it's on Palmerston.
Yeah, we're okay.
So we're driving. Oh, so let's go.
Oh.
Oh, so maybe it's right up.
Yeah, it's on the corner. What the what? This is my life.
It's really hard to know that.
She thought we were in the wrong destination. We're not in the wrong destination. Holy, it's not hard to keep up. We're always lost. We always figure it out after. I'm wearing a vest because I don't care. What, Natalie? Look at my pink socks. What's the event called?
Farmers.
Grain Farmers of Ontario.
You know what that actually is?
But we have a Twitter party at 7 p.m. Well, we're going to this cute little restaurant. I'll show you all. Look at Woodlot. Hopefully they're not having a speech. And we walk in.